How to create an in-transit list. In Millennium, go to Create List. Next, highlight one of your files or an unassigned file. Keep in mind the review file that you choose needs to have a large enough maximum number of records to capture all of the in-transit items. Once you find one of those, click onto Search Records. Type in a name for your review file, and from the drop-down menu, choose Item from the Store Record Type menu. Next, choose Review from the drop-down box. By choosing the review file, you can limit the number of items the machine has to actually go through to actually find all of these in-transit items. If you have a review file that you've created that has all of your holdings, all of your items in it, you can use that review file. You can search that by clicking the drop-down menu and finding the particular file. Keep in mind this review file list is not in any particular order. Hopefully one day Innovative will change this so it has a little bit better organization. If you found your review file with all of your items in it, we can now enter our search strategy. Under Type, I'm going to put I for Item. Under Field, I'm going to choose 88 for Status. In the box for Condition, I'm going to put equals to, and the value we want is T for in transit. So we're going to append a line to add to the search strategy. Under I for Item, we're going to choose the field 68 for last check-in, and under the condition box, we're going to choose less than, and you can double click in any of these boxes and get this option. So I'm going to choose less than. In the box under value, I'm going to calculate about 2 weeks back. The reason why we want to do this is because the items that are in transit, you want to give them a little bit of time to actually arrive, so you want to get only those that have been in transit for a few weeks on this particular list. So I'm going to put in about 2 weeks from the day. Now I can review my particular search strategy here in the white box. Status equals to T, and item last check-in less than 2 weeks ago or so. And we've already limited to my particular items, 5 Points West items. So we're ready to actually do the search. So I'm going to click on the search. It's going to ask me if I want to start searching the in-transit list. I'm going to tell it yes by clicking yes. You notice that my list is now complete. Now that it is complete, I'm going to sort the records by clicking onto the Sort Records button. In here, I want it sorted so that it'll be easy to find on the shelf. So the first thing I want to do is type in I for Item. Under the field, I'm going to put 79 for location. I'm going to append a line, and then I'm going to put item and call number, and then I'm going to append another line and put B for bibliographic and A for author. By doing this, the material types will be sorted together, then put in call number order, and then listed by author. So by following this option, we should pretty much get it in the order that they are on the shelves. I'm going to now click on to Sort Save. The sorting is now complete. The list is now in shelf list order, barring some irregularities such as old call numbers or some other thing that's out of whack. But as long as it's correct in the bibliographic record and in the item record, it is now in shelf list order. Next, I'm going to list the records so I can actually print the in-transit list. Once this box comes up for us to list, I'm going to choose under Type, I for Item, and then C for call number. Then I'm going to append on the list, and I'm going to go to Item, Location. Then I'm going to, once it's in location, I'm going to append the list again, and I'm going to put bibliographic, author, append again, bibliographic, then title, append once again. I'm going to choose the item, and this time the barcode, and append again. And then once appended again, I'm going to choose item, message. This should pretty much do it. This is going to give us the call number, the location code, the author, title, barcode, and message for this particular item on the list. So I'm going to title this In Transit and give it the date. Once I have my page heading in, I want to put some numbers of blank lines between the records so that they're easy to see. I'm going to put 2 here. Once I've done all that, I'm going to click on to OK. And it's going to ask me where I want to print it. I could print it to the current printer, which could either be a local printer or to an internet address. I'm going to choose local printer here, and the box is going to come up, and I'm going to click on to OK. This has been how to do an in-transit list on your items that are in transit.